It's as well you just need. You don't need this. You don't need full lace. You don't need frontal. You just need small something like this one. I would advise you get a 4x4. This one you need it. When I said you need it, you need it. You say that you use this one or that. The other one I'm going to show you guys. You need it because this is where you are going to be placing all, whether your closure, your frontal, your full lace. This is where you are going to be placing it. Hello everyone, hello besties. Who is happy to see me today? I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are well. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys the only tools you need to start hair ventilation. Okay, if you want to start hair ventilation, you don't know what to get, you don't know the right tools to get. I've been receiving that question both on Facebook and also on my channel, YouTube channel. Please, what are the materials I need to start hair ventilation? That's why I'm making this video, to show you the only tools you need, so you don't go and waste your money I buy the things you don't need. That's the reason why I'm making this video today. So guys, the first tool we need, okay, the first tool on my list is this one. Okay, this is called a canvas head. Okay, it comes in different sizes, in different lengths. Like the one I make use of is 21 inch. They normally write it here. This one is 21 inch. It means the length of this thing is 21 inch. This is called a canvas head. This is the first thing you need. It's either you use this one or I'll show you the next one you can use. Okay, so I have both and I do use both for different purposes. If I'm working on full lace, I prefer to use this canvas head. But if I'm working on closures, frontals, I prefer to use the other one I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this one is called canvas head. It comes in different inches. Like I said, this one is 21 inch. Sorry, the inches doesn't matter. Even if it's 20 inches that you're able to get, 21, 22, anyone can serve. So it's called canvas head. As you can see, this is how it flows. So this one, you need it. When I said you need it, you need it. You say that you use this one or that. The other one I'm going to show you guys. You need it because this is where you are going to be placing all, whether your closure, your frontal, your full lace. This is where you are going to be placing it. And guys, this is the second one. Please don't mind this. Don't mind this, my mannequin head. This one is called mannequin head. Okay, this is how it looks. It has sizes too. They have the big skull, the one that is big like my skull, and the one that has smaller skull. But if you want to get anyone, please, I would advise you go for the one that has bigger skull, because of if you are using it to work on full lace, you need the one that has bigger skull than the small skull. So get this one. This one is called mannequin head. Whether you use this one or this, okay, as a starter, as someone who just wants to start or who is just starting, you can get any one. This one is more costlier than this. Okay, this is called canvas head, remember, and then this one is called mannequin head. This is costlier than this, but if you are just starting, you can just get this one for a start. Okay, this one can serve same purpose with this one. In as much as I prefer making use of this one when I'm working on full lace, I can still use it. Before I got this one, I normally use this type. I have this one like 2 or 3. I normally use this one for my full lace before I got this one. So if you cannot get this, you can get this. But if you just want to make one choice, if you just want to get one, you can go for this if you have the money, or you can go for this. Two of them serve the same purpose. So canvas, your canvas head, and then your mannequin head. This is the second. The first, very important, because you need them. You actually need them for this crafts. Okay, can get any of these. Just walk to any store that sells hair accessories, ask them of canvas head or mannequin head, they will have it. Or you can still shop it online. For people who are not here, you can easily get it in the shop. You can shop it online. So you can shop them online if you can't get them in stores. So this is what we'll have as our first and second tools. It's left for you to choose. So guys, another tool that we have here is our Swiss lace. Okay, this is what is called a Swiss lace. We have different types of this Swiss lace. This is the normal Swiss lace. We still have the China HD Swiss laces. It's softer than this one. And we still have the HD, the main original HD, which is more costlier than this one. Okay, but most times we make use of this one. Okay, so this is what is called a Swiss lace, and this is probably a Swiss lace. This is a yard of Swiss lace. This was gotten from this. They do have the one they do cuts, different sizes. Like this one is not up to 4x4. I just cut this little amount to show you guys what a Swiss lace is and how you can use it. Okay, in the market you can still get the one they actually customize, different sizes, 2x6, which is the one for kincaid closure, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, 13x4, 13x6, which is frontal. I wish I can cut a frontal from here. I will have show you guys what a frontal looks like, but along the line, maybe my coming videos, the videos I'll make after these ones, I will show you what a frontal looks like. But a frontal is just that one that goes ear to ear. Okay, ear to ear. It will just come front like this, not the full head. The full head is one we call full lace. I'll show you a picture of a full lace because I have that one. So this is what is called full lace. This one is a yard. So sometimes I do get it in yard like this. Then I'll measure and cut out the amounts. If I'm working, someone who is starting, for someone who is just starting, I advise you get the one they already customized in the market. You can just get maybe a 4x4 size. A 4x4 is just a little bigger than this. Okay, for your practice, for all your practice. Then when you have mastered the art, you cannot get any size of your choice to work with, depending on what you want to do. Whether you want to ventilate for closures, maybe you want to do wig for yourself, or you want to do a braided wig, depending on you. Okay, but I normally get this and customize it myself. But as a beginner, so that you don't make that mistake, because if you don't customize it well, if you don't cut this thing very well, because it has vertical and diagonal and horizontal lines, so if you don't do it well, it might make mistake. So as someone who is starting, because this video is for beginners, just get something like this. They already customized ones in the market. So this is another second important tool you have, because there's no hair ventilation without this. Okay, you can even manage to get maybe something and place your Swiss lace on it and vent without using your canvas or your mannequin head. You can do that, but you can't work without this, because this is what we use for the ventilation. Okay, so another tool, I said I'm going to show you guys what a full lace is. This is what a full lace is. This is a full lace. Okay, it's called full lace because it covers your whole head, but as a starter you don't need this yet. Okay, I'm just showing you guys what a full lace is. If you be watching my previous video, you see me working on this. So as a beginner, you don't need this yet. Okay, you don't need this yet. You just need a smaller something for all your practice. Then when you are done practicing, you've mastered how to vent, you can now go for closures, from making closures, making frontals, making your full lace. Okay, like I say, this is called full lace because it covers the full head, you know. Okay, this is different from 360. Some people make the mistake of calling this 360. This is not 360, this is a full lace. The difference between 360, I've diverted from what we are saying. I'm now teaching you guys another thing, but no problem, Sha. I've deviated from the main course of this video. The difference between this and a 360 is this. In a 360, instead of this center part having a lace, it will just have a material. Okay, it will be covered with a material. Maybe I will attach a picture of a 360 or somewhere on the screen so you guys will see the difference, or I'll make a post about it. So this is a full lace, not a 360. 360, so of having a lace here, you have a material that when you ventilate around, like this, then that material is where you crochet. That is the difference between 360 and full lace. So another very important, without it you cannot vent now. Without it you cannot ventilate. It's very, very important to your the ventilating pin. So guys, this is another important ventilating material you need. Without this, there's no hair ventilation. You can, like I said, you can manage without manicure hair, maybe keep it on a surface, but you can't do without this and our lace. You can't do without this too, and also our attachment or hair extension. So this comes in two different types. Okay, we have the wooden one. It's just the wooden one, like this. Here is wood. Is it wood in abi wood? You guys understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, this is wood. That's why I call the wooden one. And in the mouth is where you will get your pin. Okay, you get your pin. This size, it comes with different sizes. This one is 2 to 3. Okay, I prefer working with 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means it can pick from 2 to 3 strands of hair. You still have 1 to 1. You can pick 1 strand. You have 2 to 3. We have 3 to 4. Okay, different sizes of pin. This one is 2 to 3, and you can still have, we still have the iron one. Okay, so when you are trying to shop, is either you go for this iron one or the wooden one, anyone you prefer. So this iron one comes with pin. The pin will just be separate in a pack: 1 to 1, 2 to 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. That's the different sizes it comes with. So when you get the pin, it's very, I don't have any pin here. I would have shown you guys how to attach the pin, but it's very, very simple. Just open the tip of the iron, in case if this one you got. Okay, open the tip, the mouth, and then the starting is just like this. Okay, but instead of already made on the one they inserted, just like the way they inserted it on this wooden one, it will just be separate from the handle. This is the handle, the iron handle. Okay, so just get the pin. Some is just like this. I wish I have anyone here. All the ones I have, that of them are, but because once it fell on the ground, you just have to be careful when you are working with it. If it fell on the ground, it will break. I mean the pin. So the pin is just something like this, just the way it is separate. Chook it inside this thing. There's opening. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, there's that open. Just press it inside that opening. Like press this side inside the opening. Then when you press it, it will be inside here. Then use this thing and cover it back. Okay, cover it back. That's just how to install the pin on the handle. So when you cover it back, the mouth of the pin will just come out, just the way this one is, and then you can use it and vent.